Hello guys, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Administrator tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is dashboards in Salesforce. So what are the dashboard in Salesforce? Dashboard is a visual representation of our Salesforce data, offering at a glance insights into key metrics and trends. So dashboard shows data from source report as visual components. It compiles reports into visual components such as charts, graphs, tables and metrics. So it is going to use the reports, and on the behalf of report it is going to display the data into visual component using charts or graph or in a table formats or in key metrics. These components allow users to quickly access performance and make data-driven decisions. So by seeing the data, we will be at the position to take decisions. So these components provide a snapshot of key metrics and performance indicators for our organizations. Also there are static dashboards. So these dashboards are the basic dashboard types that will be visible to any user who had made a report out of the data. So in other words, a normal dashboard shows data only from a single user's perspective. What are the key features of dashboard? Dashboards are dynamic and update automatically as the underlying reports refreshes. They provide role-specific views by applying dashboards filters or dynamic dashboard for different users. Benefits of dashboards: real-time visibility into critical business metrics. So we are getting the real-time data visibility, simplifies complex data into easily digestible visuals, enhances collaboration by sharing data insights across the teams, enables data-driven decision making for better outcomes. So in today's assignment, we are going to see a company wants to track the performance of its sales team, including the number of closed deals and expected revenue. So there is a company that wants to track the performance of their sales team executive, including the number of closed deals. So how many of them had closed the deals and what are the expected revenue. So let's do this. So let's log into our Salesforce account by providing the username and password. Hit the login button. So already we had created a report in the previous session. So first let's open our application, employee management system application. And to make it visible the dashboard on the tab bar, we need to click on this pencil icon, add more items, select all, search for dashboard. So click plus and add one nav item, and also we need to click on save button. So under more we are seeing the dashboards. So let's first click on reports. So this sales performance we had created in our previous session. So let's click on this. So what does this report includes? So this is opportunity owner, and here is opportunity name, stage, physical year, amount, expected revenue and probability, age, close date, created date, next step, lead source and type. So for now what we need on the dashboard. So how many leads are closed and what is the expected revenue. So first let's edit this report. So click on edit, and from here group rows. So we are going to group the rows by the stage name. So here I am going with stage. So this one, not going with opportunity owner, and in the group columns I am going with expected revenue. So expected revenue, and then I am going to add the chart. So click on add chart. So here we are seeing the closed one. So there are two values, and if I am clicking on chart properties, so in the y-axis we are seeing stage and expected revenue. So I am going with expected revenue. So this one. So these are the expected revenue we are getting, and in the x-axis there is record counts. It is going to display the record counts. Also we can select the values or reference lines. So for now I am not going with this, only I am going with record count. Okay, so let's save and run this report. So here we are seeing that this is the record count, means two records are there, and expected revenue is this one. So this report has been saved. So again coming back to our dashboards, so let's click on this. So from here we are going to create a new dashboard. So click on new dashboard. Here it is prompting us for the dashboard name. So here I am going to provide sales performance dashboard, and I am going with private dashboard folder. So let's create. So we need to click here and select chart or tables. So here it is displaying our report what we had created and also modified. So let's select this, click select. So here we are getting the preview, sales performance, so expected revenue, this one, and record count is this one. Also we can modify display as horizontal bar chart or a vertical line chart or matrix donut chart. So we can go with any one of them. So it is coming like this, and if I am going to select this one, so it is displaying the closed one. So two record counts are there and the expected revenue is this one. If I am going with donut, so it is coming like this. So as of now I am going with horizontal bar chart. So this is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. So we can change the x-axis and y-axis. So if I want to go with expected revenue, so I can go with like this. So for now I am going with this one only. decimal places it is automatic. Also we can give the numbers, sort by stage, and then sort by expected revenue. We can change this one as well. So title is sales performance. We can modify this one also. So let's add this. Click on add. So here we are seeing the pictorial representation of the chart. So also we can drag this and make it visible in the full screen. So like this it is displaying. So expected revenue, these two values are coming over here, and record count is one record count for this and one record count for this one, and it is based on this report sales performance. So click on done. So save this. So it is coming like this. Sales performance dashboard as of date, time, and viewing as Salesforce network. Here username is going to be displayed. We can refresh by clicking on this refresh button. Also we can modify and can download, create the new dashboard and delete as well. Also we can change the owner of this particular dashboard. So it's done. Thank you.